Hey friends, if you're interested in the latest immigration news concerning foreign entrepreneurs, watch this video, join this live session. For those of you who are watching me live right now on Facebook at McBean Law, thank you so much for being with me this morning. And in this one, we're going to talk about a very exciting program that President Obama started right before he left office, but then when Trump came into office, he wrote a rule that, he proposed a rule that would basically block the program. And so the program hasn't really been fully functional up until this point, really. And just yesterday, President Biden, their administration, through the Department of Homeland Security, announced that they're moving full speed ahead with this program. It's called the foreign, and I'm just going to put it on the screen for you. I'm going to go through the slides actually and put it before you in a way that you could understand. I'm going to tell you who it applies to, who it will help, and exactly how it works. So watch this session or this video all the way until the end. Again, for those of you who are new to me, I say this in every video. I'm Latoya McBean Pompey, an immigration lawyer in New York, working with people all over the United States and in many different countries. Contact us at McBeanLaw.com to get started with our office, and also about this very exciting program, because we can help you with this program as well. Okay, so let's just get the presentation on the screen for you. The program is called the International Entrepreneur Parole Program. Okay, and this is for foreign entrepreneurs who are working in a startup entity that has high growth potential, and the work that these entrepreneurs are doing will provide a significant public benefit to us here in the United States. Okay, so this is the International Entrepreneur Parole Program, and no visa is required. No visa is required for this one. As you guys may know, there is currently no visa category that would allow a person to come into the United States to launch their startup business, right? There's no visa that would allow them to really do something like that. And this program, under this parole program, it bypasses the whole visa requirement, and it allows or grants these entrepreneurs a period of authorized stay in the United States for up to 5 years. Okay, so they get this period of authorized stay to do the work that they're doing with the business. And the government, our government, will decide these applications on a case-by-case basis, but essentially the startups must get a minimum or at least $250,000 in U.S. venture capital, or a minimum of about $100,000 in grants from the government. And the work that they do must create jobs. This is a job creation. Well, the intent of this program is to create jobs here in the United States. Now, about 3,000 people would qualify each year under this program if it works well, okay? If it is fully functional, about 3,000 people would be eligible for it each year, creating about 100,000 jobs over a decade, according to the Wall Street Journal. Now, how does this work? Well, a maximum of 3 entrepreneurs per business entity can apply. Spouse and children are also included in this application process. And the entrepreneur must only work for the startup business here in the United States. The spouse is eligible for work authorization. Children are not, the children in this particular program are not eligible for work authorization. Now, who is eligible? And if you're coming on, just say hello, good morning. It's nice to see you guys. I know I'm very early today. I wanted to get this session out before I head to the office. So I'm going to do this one very, very quickly. So come on board, say hello, and say good morning. It's really nice to see you guys. Godwin, Carrera, Kariri, I'm sorry. It's nice to see you, Jennifer, Claudette. Thanks so much for being with us, Nathalie. Okay, so who is eligible for this program? Okay, those who possess a substantial ownership interest in the startup, which was created within the past 5 years in the United States, that has substantial potential for rapid growth and job creation. So basically, a person who is working for the startup in this creation or creator role, and this startup again will have the potential for rapid growth and create jobs here in the United States. The individual must also have a central and active role in the startup in such a way that they are well positioned to substantially assist with the growth and success of the business. So this is a creator really of some sort, or someone in a very strong leadership role in this startup entity. Again, and also, and I keep emphasizing this because this is very important to how this kind of program is going to work. The individual has to demonstrate that he or she will provide a significant public benefit to the United States based on their role as an entrepreneur. And how do they do that? By showing that they have received significant investment of capital, $250,000 in venture capital funding for this work, or they've received significant grants or awards, a minimum of $100,000, and those grants or awards are for economic development, research, job creation, and so on. And if they don't meet either one of those qualifications as a standalone, they can partially meet them, okay? Now, how do you apply for this program? How do you apply for it? Well, you apply by filing Form I-941, the application for entrepreneur parole, and you pay the filing fee of $1,200 and $85 for biometrics. Now, one last thing I do want to mention about this program, and there's a lot more that that can be said about this, but one last thing is this, that once your application is approved, you must visit a U.S. consulate abroad to obtain the travel documentation. And for those of you who are in Canada, a Canadian national traveling directly from Canada to a U.S. port of entry may present an approved I-941 at the U.S. port of entry without first obtaining travel documentation. Now, contact my office, contact McBean Law to learn more about this opportunity. And I know that we have also spoken with some of you who are entrepreneurs just recently. I know that I personally, and I know my other colleagues in my office, have met with individuals who are working on some very creative, good things. And so this may be an opportunity for you. Contact our law office so that we could help you prepare this application and get you on the right track. So again, friends, the International Entrepreneur Program is here. Right? It was kind of dormant for a little bit. They didn't really receive a lot of applications over the past few years. I read something about only 30 applications, right? Entrepreneurs weren't really enthusiastic about the program because Trump was actually trying to get rid of it. And so now, yesterday, President Biden announced that they want to they want to just go forward with this, and they want to see a fully functional program that could benefit about 3,000 foreigners each year. So this may very well help you, okay? And then let me say this also, for those of you who are not on the business side, but perhaps you're on the going through a marriage-based petition process, just a reminder that my marriage petition program is up and going. Its enrollment has started again for my Ultimate Marriage Petition Program, MPP. I'm going to put a link below. Join MPP. It is incredibly thorough in guiding you and your spouse through the marriage petition process, whether your spouse is overseas or here in the United States. I have two programs, one for those overseas and one for those who have their spouse right here in the United States who will go through the adjustment of status process. So join MPP. It's a great program where you can go at your own pace, and you'll have, in this program, I know on the screen it says 45 lessons, but it's actually 50 lessons plus templates, bonuses, and I'm gonna guide you through the entire process. It's definitely worth it. And I have also cut the enrollment price, okay? So you don't want to miss it. All right, friends, thanks so much for being with me on this early morning. For those of you who are watching on Facebook, you'll notice that I do have stars set up now. Facebook had been bugging me forever to get stars created, get stars set up so that my fans can contribute and show their appreciation for my work. So I'm not even certain right now whether it's up and going before you, but if it is, go ahead and give me some stars. And for those watching on YouTube, like, subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell so that you won't miss my videos as they come out each week. Guys, thanks so much for being with me in this one, and I will see you in the next one. Have a wonderful day. All right, bye-bye.